Hello everyone, welcome to Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Today we're going to make a dish named 风琴土豆, which translates to accordion potato. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. First of all, potatoes. I cook with skin on, but you can also cook with skin off. Other ingredients will be bacon, any type of cheese slice, garlic salt, cumin, black pepper, and red pepper if you like to eat spicy. First of all, let's deal with the potatoes. Use chopsticks. Put it on both sides of your potatoes and cut it into slices so you don't cut it all the way through. Next, let's wrap those potatoes with foil and set your oven to 480 degrees. Let it be inside for 20 minutes until it's a little bit soft. Next, let's cut the bacon into a small square piece and season them. This size is perfect. We can add a tiny bit salt because bacon already tastes salty. Ground cumin. Black pepper. A little bit red pepper if you like spicy. Mix it up and wait for the potatoes done. After the potato is baked, let it cool down for a little bit, and we're gonna put bacon slices in between each potato slices. Now let's put some extra black pepper on top of it. Spray it with vegetable oil. And cheese on top of it. Let's fold it and put it back to the oven. And here is your accordion potatoes. Let's welcome today's special guest taster, Shirley, to have a try. Shirley?
Hey. Oh, this looks good. So there's everything in it that we used to use on the farm as I was a kid. The potatoes, the bacon, the cheese. Put them together, it's wonderful. You did very well.
I'm glad you like it. Thank you for cooking with me in Big Fan's Secret Kitchen. I hope you like this accordion potato. Don't forget to like and subscribe our videos, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.